Hello friends, welcome back to our Node Monitor channel. In this video, we will see how to read analog voltage using Arduino Uno board. You can find more insight in the link given in the description. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe, thank you. Okay, for this experiment, we need only one component, that is a potentiometer or variable resistor. Before going forward, let's understand the pins of Arduino. We have three types of I/O pins, that is, input-output pin in Arduino board. First type is digital pin. We can do read-write operation on this pin with digital output, that means this pin can be either low or high. Second type of pin is analog pin. In this pin we can read-write any values, unlike digital pin. But question is, can we really read or write any value? No. Why? Because analog value can take infinite number values. A value is available for each instant of time. But for practical purpose, we represent approximately the analog voltage with a digital representation. This depends on the analog to digital converter associated with that pin. We have a 10-bit ADC in the analog pin. We can use A0 to A5 pin for analog operations. The analog voltage is not actually pure analog voltage, rather it is the digital equivalent of the analog voltage. If so, then number of bits used to represent the analog voltage plays the important role. In Arduino we have 10-bit ADC. That means 2 to the power 10, that is 1024. So 1023 steps are possible. That means each step equals to 5 divided by 1023, which is approximately 4.9 millivolt. Now suppose our ADC reads 860, then we have to multiply 860 with 4.9 millivolt, and that comes to 4.2 volt. This way we can read the analog voltage. Now let's see the actual programming. This is the schematic diagram of the project today. When we move the middle terminal downward, it will gradually come to 0 potential. And when we move it upward, gradually it will reach at 5 volt. This voltage will be available at pin A0, which can be read by Arduino. To download this code into Arduino board, we open the IDE. Then go to File, Examples, Basics, and AnalogRead voltage. Here in the documentation, it has shown a 10 kilo ohms potentiometer. We have taken a 4.5 kilo ohms. That's also okay. We can see the connection in the breadboard. Red wire connected to plus 5 volt, and black one connected to ground. From middle point, brown wire goes to pin A0. Let's check the code. In the setup code, we only use serial.begin command. This starts the communication with laptop at a baud rate of 9600, that is 9600 bits per second. Inside loop code, we take an integer type variable and it reads A0 pin by the AnalogRead command. Using println command, we print that value in the serial monitor. Delay command gives some time so that we can see the effect. I have uploaded the code. Please see the serial monitor. It prints integers, that value is around 680. Because we have kept the middle terminal of the potentiometer in the middle position. Now I turn the potentiometer towards ground. You can see the voltage decreases and finally reaches 0. Then, I turn that towards 5 volt. You can see voltage is rising and finally reached 1023. But actually our voltage is between 0 and 5 volt. So we should see the voltage in that range. To bring this value to this range, we have to add just one more line that we have already discussed. Float voltage equals to sensor value into 5 by 1023. Now we print that to serial monitor with a delay. We can see, now it's coming in the actual range. The third type of pin is PWM pin, that is, pulse width modulation pin. We will know more about PWM pin in the next video. That's all in this video. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. That will be a great help to me. Thank you.